Canva replaced its old QR code tool. Old links cannot be edited, new ones can. Let me show you how to add a new QR code. Create a new design. I'm going to come here to custom size. I'm going to type in 400 by 400 pixels. And let's name this file QR codes. Go to Elements and type in QR code and hit search. You'll see this create a dynamic QR code and hit create. You can choose from any of these patterns. I'm just going to do a standard block pattern. And now you'll see it says save your URL to create the QR code. I'm going to type in one of my websites that I want people to go to for the ad that I'm creating. This is for my lead magnet creator offer. I'm going to hit save, and you're going to see that the C pulls into the middle of this QR code. After we add it to our design, I'll show you how to cover that up if you want to. You have to have the Canva business in order to take that logo away. Now hit save, and it says the QR code URL updated across all designs. So if I change this code, like let's say I change the website URL, I can come in here and change it, and it will change all across all of your QR codes that you have used this design. So I'm just going to copy this here, Command C, and I'm going to go over to the design that I want to add it to. It's going to hit Command V and paste it into what I'm creating here. While it's selected, if I hit edit, this box will pull over on the side. This is where I can change the URL if I want to and save it. You can also change the color of the QR code. And now I want to cover up this C, so I'm just going to create a circle, hitting C on my keyboard. I'm just going to come and cover that up, just the white circle. And now I can add any element there. I added a checkbox. There you have it. That's how you add the new QR code tool. And if you have other QR codes that you've used in past designs, those are not going to be able to be edited. So you're going to have to add a new QR code for that. So just take a little bit of time, go through your Canva designs that do have old QR codes and add the new one. That'll be great if you ever need to change the URL or need to update anything. I like to keep all of my QR codes in one file. So here, if I wanted to add another QR code, I would come in here, add a new one. This one will just go right to my website, and I can name this here, hit save. Now I have that. I can also title the page, and up here I will name this lead magnet. And then here, anytime you use this tool, you'll notice that your new QR codes that you've created, they're all going to appear here. So when I click on this, it adds it to my design. I click on it and I can edit it. And again, I can update it from here as well. All right, I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.